Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. As you can see, I'm in a new room. I've moved house and that's why it's been a bit quiet. So today we're looking at a really big grammar lesson. We're looking through conditionals. So the first one's a quite easy one, zero conditional. So that's when we use facts and rules and things that are always true. And to create a sentence using zero conditional, we have if, present simple, comma, and then the other present simple phrase. Here's some examples. If you heat ice, it melts. So that's a fact, a scientific fact. If you heat ice, comma, it melts, period. Here's the next one. If people don't drink water, they get dehydrated. So you have to drink water or you will get very sick. Dehydrated. Hydrated means you're full of water. Dehydrated means you need water. Okay? Let's have a look at the next one. Number 2 is first conditional. To use it, you need to have real possible situations that happen in the future. So here's the structure. You need an if plus a present simple. Then you'll have a comma. You need a will to determine the future and then the base form of a verb. Here's some examples. If it rains, we will stay inside. If it rains, comma, we, subject, will, future tense, stay, base form verb, and then a complement which is inside. So if it rains, we will stay inside. If she studies, if he studies, he will pass the exam. So I hope you guys are doing this, studying hard, so you will pass the exam. Second conditional we're going to look at today. This is how you can use it for imaginary or unlikely situations. The form to structure, if, past simple, would plus a base form verb. So if I had £1 million, so it's not going to happen now, but if I did have it, I would travel the world. If I were taller, I would be a police officer. But I'm not, I'm short. So let's think about it then. If you had £1 million, what would you do? So I want you trying to create that second conditional sentence. If you had £1 million, what would you do? Let's have a look at a first conditional. So I'm working backwards. If you finish your homework, you will finish that sentence. If you finish your homework, you will. What will you do? So that's a possible situation. If you finish your homework, you will. And the last one, zero conditional. If I wake up late, finish that one. If I wake up late, what will happen? So zero conditional is part of daily routines, or it can be a science truth. So today we've looked at mixed conditionals. I've only gone to 0, 1 and 2. There are many more. There's a third conditional as well. But today I've kept it quite simple, so you can do some tasks like that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again real soon. See you then. Bye-bye.